Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on the option of read receipts in your WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Here, you can see three dots. You have to press here. Now click on settings. Here you can see privacy. Go for it. Now here you can see the option of read receipts. If you want to enable read receipts in your WhatsApp, then you just have to turn on this button. That's it. So this is how to turn on read receipts option in your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.